Hello friends, welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how we build a status report. So if you are a part of a program or project, it's a requirement that you have to send a daily status or a weekly status. So in today's video, we are going to see how we build a status report. What is the right content to be kept in a status report? What are those key KPIs what we need to track when we are sending the status report? So you can see my screen here. It's a PowerPoint template. It's a complete editable version, and I have put this into a shared drive. Link is given in the description section. It's a complete editable version. You can download it and you can use it for your respective project. So let's start. If you look at the top, it's a status report template. You can change this text box to your program or project name, so it makes some relevance to your slide. Then you can look at the bottom section. It's a schedule. So I have considered IT project here, which will have different phases like requirement, design, development, testing, UAT, and deployment. So if you have a less phases in your own environment, you can squeeze it. If you have more phases, you can add it accordingly. So this will show the schedule and where we are. You can put some pointer here where we are. And then if you look at the right hand side, it's an overall status, and we are measuring the status with respect to schedule, cost, and scope. It could be red, it could be amber, it could be green. So you can change the status as per your current state of that particular day or particular week. If you look at the right hand side, it's a financial status. For every program or project, you'll be tracking the budget also. So you can add what was the approved budget initially, what is the cost till date, and then what looks like a future forecast. And then you can keep a variance. It could be positive or negative, and accordingly your cost will be red, amber, and green. Now if you come at the bottom section, you can put about the project here, because that's very important that you have to give a brief about the project, about the program. And this middle section is very important. This is where you will keep updating your progress. What are the key updates for the respective week or day? You can put it here. That's a message you want to give to your stakeholders with respect to progress made. Now this bottom section is what next. What are you planning as the next item, either next day or next week? Those things can be added here. Now from project or program perspective, it is very important that you are managing your risk, either dependencies, prerequisite, and what is the mitigation plan for those risks. So those details can be added here. You can have risk 1, risk 2, risk 3, and so on. You can add your dependencies here. You can add assumptions here. So this section is very important for every program, because if you manage your risk well, you can manage your program well. So this is a complete template. As I said, it's a complete editable version. You can use it for your project tracking, either as a daily status or a weekly status. I also have a couple of more templates here. So these are 5 variations. You can download them. You can use what is best suited for your project need. I hope this video has given you good insight how we build a status report, what is the right content to keep there, and how we can track the progress from the program and project perspective. Thank you very much.